Hello Al, it's Zurab here at Boss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Porsche Cayenne, which has only 59,000 kilometers on it, and the price is 55,888 plus HST and licensing. This vehicle comes fully certified, has brand new tires on it. These are Toyo 4 Seasons. It's red on black leather interior. Of course, it has a lot of options with the heated seats, with the memory seats, the power seats, power windows, power locks, sunroof. Here's the mileage. It's 59,000 kilometers. I'm gonna power it up. Of course, it has a GPS navigation as well. It does have a park distance controls, and it has turn this off, cooling seats, heated seats. I'm gonna go through menu, which is just right here. How to turn this thing off? Media phone, here we go. Navigation, confirm. It shows maps. That's where we are. When you put it in the reverse, oh, my door is open. So here is the sunroof. That's a huge sunroof. Interior is absolutely perfect, super clean, no smells, no odors, non-smoker. On the steering, there are all the controls, including the shifter as well. And, I'm gonna just walk around the vehicle. It comes with an all-season Porsche original mats. It's a power lift gate. Here are the mods. And this is the spare tire. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.